All right, Jam Box Breaks the 20th of February, 12:23 p.m. Eastern or a.m. Eastern. Scotty C with his own box of Extra Elite. We're looking for the hot boxes. Still haven't pulled one. 5 hot boxes, 7 of 8 autos, 5 guaranteed with a huge name on the list. Here we go, man. Your time to shine, Scotty C. By the way, Scott, did you see how many hits you got in Sterling? You got a lot. I'm still shocked. One, go back and watch the video. I did a recap at the end. You got like probably 6 or 7 hits. I was still shocked that. Now I know why he didn't take the Orioles. I think Orioles only hit once. D-backs hit a ton of times. Machado is going to be in there in that second half. He's got to be. We got to pull one of those guys, big rookies. Yeah, you had like 6 or 7. I didn't count. I was just messing with you. See, these dummy cards always screw with me. I always think it's a huge relic, and it's not. True. And they weren't expensive either. They have Archie Bradley's actually a good pitcher. That's why I have him at 30. And they have a lot of hits on the checklist. D-backs hit it good in a lot of breaks, to be honest with you. And no one ever wants them. They generally do very well in breaks. True. Shipley's good. Was he part of that trade? This one's real thick, so you probably got a silhouette too. No, but you got a sick relic. I don't know who it is. It's multicolored. Probably numbered. I didn't see who the name was. I just saw USA multicolor. Jack Class is going to be ripping a lot of these once he sees all these hits. He likes this stuff a lot. Your mom is in this? What? All right, Orlando Arcia. All right, we got Preston Morrison for Chicago. I got to get some more sleeves, bud. Hold on, I forgot we ran out. Why'd you say your mom is in this? It could be her. Why are you going to bust on your mom? That's funny. All right, here it is. Morgan McCullough. I heard of him. Number to 49. That's sick, dude. 3-color, the stripe. Sorry, 2-color. My bad. Morgan McCullough. I heard that name. Someone's been looking for him in a room. All right, Jose Lopez, Cincinnati Red. Few relics. Oh, man. We got Walker Buehler. Collegiate. Blank. It's a nice auto coming up. Orlando Arcia, number to 150. If it's an auto, it's a nice one. I don't know if it's just a die cut. All right, Jorge Alfaro, Philadelphia Phillies, my friend. All right, you got Austin Voth, who's good, out of 25 for Washington. Swanson. All right, Riley Farrell for Houston on the foil. All right. right, Cornelius Randolph, hype. Another good Philly. All right, Cody Poteet on the foil auto. Cody Poteet. That's Miami. Someone was looking for him too. I remember hearing that. Austin Smith, number to 100. San Diego. Tons of pitchers in this. It's like a lot of pitchers. All right, we got Fernando Tatis Jr. This is a nice auto, man. It's for the White Sox out of 75. He's their up-and-coming shortstop. He's not on the list either, so we still haven't hit a big name yet off that list. He's good, though. All right, got Cody Poteet out of 100. You can start a PC of him. Benintendi. All right, we got Lucius Fox, San Fran. You might want to hit up Chad Class. He might buy that off you. Lucius Fox. All right, Julio Urias. I can't believe he's Fernando's son or relative. All right, we got Andrew Suarez, another San Francisco Giant. Another Chad Class hit. Am I frozen or are we good? My laptop's frozen. Okay. Austin Byler, number to 75 for Arizona. D-backs keep on hitting for you. Maybe that's what we got to do, man, is start buying D-backs and everything. I don't know who they got this year, though. There's Guerrero Jr., number to 200. I think we just got a normal box, man. That's crazy. Drew Jackson, shortstop for Seattle. So they have two prospects as shortstops right now in this product for Seattle. See how many hits there were. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 hits. So here was one of the hot boxes. Wish we had some bigger names. I mean, Tatis is good and Voth's really good and McCall is good. And then I think there was one more. I don't know about Lucius. I heard that name too. But there goes one of the hot boxes. You got 11 autos, so we're down one hot box. Four more to go. Thank you, Scott. Ships Monday. Anyone want to do anything else, or are we all done? We got like a million PMs right now. I feel bad I can't answer anyone. $5 years from now. Now Tatis will be up soon, and that guy for Washington, he's on their radar already. I see a lot of national stuff. They need pitching. They're going to need pitching soon too. So yeah, Voth is good. They said he's on their radar. They were just talking about him the other day on. I get a lot of Nationals coverage out here. I don't get any Phillies. I have to pay for the MLB package to watch. Excuse me, watch the Phillies. All right, that was Jason Phillips. I use them. I use these two just to stack on top of everyone's stack, so I don't mix anything up. Smart. Once my cat knocked it over, I'd be screwed.